All of our business is anchored and spins around those Thermwood routers. I will tell you that if you buy a Thermwood router, you'll have more than one, because you'll wonder how you were able to accomplish what you were doing beforehand without it.
From a cosmetic standpoint, it's been very helpful that the machines can be very gentle on the material if we need it to be. And because there's a lot of applications where we're taking a plexiglass or a polycarbonate part, we're taking it to be glued or to be bent, and it's got to be somewhere where it's going to be seen. It's going to be out in the open, so we can't obviously have it be scratched or marred up, and we can really trust that that part is going to come off and it's going to be perfect. Our experience with Thermwood has been incredible. Anything we need is a phone call away. So it's been wonderful from a service aspect to, trust has been a really big thing. We can always trust that they'll deliver.
The machine is the easiest thing we have, and anybody that wanted to know, if you're going to buy one, buy two. They're the most reliable piece of machinery we have on our floor, period. More reliable than the new forklift, more reliable than the new air compressor. You come in, hit the go button, and it makes you money.